What's up, everybody? It's Jeremiah. I just wanted to make a quick unboxing of the Samsung card by Barclays, or the Samsung Galaxy card. This is the credit card by Barclays. You guys know I had such issues getting that actually added into the digital wallet on the phone, but now I think we got it, so let's go ahead and open it. First impressions, though, of the box. The boxes. I mean, this is a lot of extra packaging for what it is, and so let's go ahead and open it up. So far, the packaging is better than what they do in most of their phones and devices. Open it up. Set the box out of the way. We'll have to raise you guys up a little bit more. All right, guys. So got you lifted up just a little bit higher, and so here's the Samsung Galaxy card. Nice little writing here. Let's get Voltron out the way. Nice little Samsung Galaxy card logo here. Open it up. Over here you're going to have your card, and here you're going to have all your materials. Here's the Visa Signature Guide to Benefits. I actually downloaded this online, so I've already read through all this. There's a lot of benefits that come with having a Visa Signature card. I'll put the link to it up in the description. Cardholder agreement. Here's the facts. This is the reward rules and that sort of thing. So let's see if there's anything about tapping, because I'm actually kind of interested in seeing if this card can be added to the Apple Wallet. So the next video, or next scene, we'll swap over to the Samsung phone video, and I'll see if it actually does that. All right, so that's that. Let's go ahead and pull the card out of this little box. I'm trying to do it on camera. Just slide it out. To activate this card, scan the QR code or call. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. Bam. There's the QR code. Going to do it off scene. Alright, it says to activate your card. This will also activate the card of any authorized users on your account. So I'm going to go ahead and put my information in. Off screen. I'll be right back. Physical card is activated. This is clutch. So guys, what you're looking at is the Samsung Galaxy card in the wallet. I know we already showed this just a little bit. My transactions are still pending, so I did two smaller transactions. I bought something at AutoZone, and then I bought something at Waffle House called Choo Choo Waffles. I did that on Tuesday, excuse me. I did this on Tuesday, and it's still pending. So it's taken a few days to get these charges actually cleared through and put on the account. So that's really it. Card itself is pretty nice, made out of metal. This card, unlike the Samsung card by SoFi, this card is basically the debit card for the money market account, which is Samsung Money with SoFi, or by SoFi. This card does not have any of the information on it, so you have to go into the Samsung Wallet app and you have to get the information. Like if you ever need the card details at all, it's on the back of it. Yeah, I mean, it's just got my name on it. My name's on the account, on this account. That's it. And so a little different. This is actually plastic. This one is metal. So looking forward to putting these into use and seeing how these rewards go. This one, I just basically, my other YouTube channel is monetized, and got I use it as kind of a little savings account. I don't actually use this as my primary banking account. We use a local bank for that. But this one could very easily become my primary card, as long as this is pretty easy. So I like using credit cards to pay for stuff and then pay it off immediately, just for safety purposes. So if your debit card ever gets hacked, you're in trouble. But I like using a credit card for a little safety. So, okay, sorry guys, I wasn't quite ready to end the video. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can add this card to the Apple Wallet, which is awesome. Go ahead and look off screen. And so Apple Wallet, we're able to get the Samsung Money by SoFi card added to the Apple Wallet. So if you're a two phones Nelson like me, then let's see if this will actually add. So I'm going to go ahead and press add, debit or credit cards, continue, and let's go ahead and see if it'll pick it up. There we go. Let's see if we can add it. Your issuer does not yet support this card. At this point, you cannot add the Samsung Galaxy card to an Apple iPhone. All right, so that's just the way it is. All right, guys. So that's basically it. If you're an iPhone user, and maybe someone in your head of household got the Samsung card, or you got the Samsung card from Samsung.com because, but you're an iPhone user, you're not going to be able to use it on your Samsung or your Apple Wallet as of this point. So anyway, guys, that'll basically do it. If you guys got any questions, let me know. If you guys are interested in like periodic updates and stuff like that, I'll make those. Thank you guys so much.